For one breath, the mother is released, but Mercy does not live here, as if escape itself must be punished. She drops the cub, out of irritation, out of the need to answer insult with dominance. There is nothing left to save, only something to take away. The same mouth that once carried life now carries loss. They wanted her moving. A lioness is most certain when she stands her ground. So the cheetahs make her run, not to escape her, to pull her out of certainty. The missing members of the family reappear, but something is wrong. No calm in the air.